Meet Pexco's Switchblade Concrete Barrier Marker, designed for better visibility and faster maintenance. When fitted with reflective sheeting, it clearly defines barrier locations day and night. Its broad, continuous reflective blade boosts long-range visibility for safer roadway recognition. Unlike traditional markers, you replace just the blade, not the entire unit, saving time and effort. This means faster maintenance and less time spent working near live traffic, enhancing crew safety. Made from high-performance engineering-grade polymers, it resists UV, weather, impact, moisture, and temperature changes. Installation is flexible with adhesive or anchor bolts, adapting to various barrier and surface types. Switchblade comes in multiple sizes from 6 to 12 inches with custom lengths available. It's ideal for median barriers, utility marking, drainage, and even snow-prone areas with plow activity. Purpose-built details include internal reinforcement and optimized surfaces for reflective tape adhesion. The Switchblade is manufactured in the USA under ISO 9001 standards, ensuring high quality and reliability. Switchblade sets a new standard for barrier visibility and maintenance efficiency on our roads. Check out Pexco's Switchblade Concrete Barrier Marker and enhance your roadway today. Find us at www.pexco.com/traffic.